Hey everybody, you want to see something cool? Just got this in the mail. Something we've been working on for a long time, and I'm very excited to finally see it with my own eyeballs. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is the Harrow County Complete Edition. Let's get this plastic off of here. Bottom comes with this little guy. There's all the info you need to know. Book itself looks like a dresser drawer. But what's inside that dresser drawer? The skinless boy. Well, rather the skin of the skinless boy. Oh my goodness. This is so much book. I can do this. The Complete Harrow County. Oh my gosh. Same size as the library editions, except it is every library edition in one book. It has all of the essays in the back. It has all the one-page stories, the Tales from Harrow County in the back. It has... This is all back matter. Has stories and scripts from the original conception of Harrow County. Got pinups by various artists. Got sketchbook section that is huge. It's incredible. It looks beautiful. Thank you so much for everyone at Dark Horse who helped design this. This was a huge effort to get it all figured out and working properly. And yeah, this will be in stores. I should have looked that up before we started. All right, that's it. Thanks, everybody.